Scheider already.
Wheelock hanging off Solberg's car, and Solberg and Ekstrom running right next to each other in this one, fighting for second place in the standings. Matthias Ekstrom winning the Monster Energy Supercharge Award for the fastest reaction time at the lights. It's normally his teammate Tommy Heikkinen who gets it if he makes it through the final, so Matthias will be pleased with that. Scheider right out the edge of the track. Look at Timmy Hansen though. Timmy Hansen has Joker, has already got Scheider, and he's right up behind the two guys in front of him. For me, Kristoffersson has managed to check out already, but Timmy's the danger man here for Ekstrom and Solberg. I think he can overlap them.
Definitely, but I mean, Kristoffersson is just showing his task. He's going to make this, I think he's going to look very, very easy. But the guys who watch Timmy Hansen, he's really getting close to Solberg, and Solberg now really on the back of Ekstrom. These guys are fighting for the championship for second place, and they might tangle each other, and I think a guy like Timmy Hansen just wants to get a pass coming off the back of Solberg's car. He could get underway.
It's good at this rate. I don't think there's quite as much risk as there was from Ross Solberg into the joke that Timmy Hansen will know he's going to keep it tidy on the inside, so Timmy needs to get in tight on those curves now. Look at the speed that Solberg's carrying. Hansen's on the gas, he'll move across, and the dust he will hope will distract Solberg. Solberg's going to come out alongside Scheider, is he?
Yep.
He's come out in front, so Solberg in front to Scheider.